Assalamu alaikum, our dear students, and welcome to a new lesson for our school, Qatar Technical School. And this is an English lesson for grade 10 using the Technical English Book 1. And the title of this lesson is Review Unit B, Part 1. Okay, so before we start the lesson, let's have a look at the objectives. The first objective is questions with do or does, negative statements, and using contractions. To be able to follow this lesson, please go to the course book page 32. Okay, in this page we have exercise 1. And exercise 1 asks us to rewrite these sentences as questions. So we're going to change the sentences, the 6 sentences, into questions. Let's look at number 1 as an exercise. As an example, John has the spanners. How do we make the question? We start the question with the word does. Does John have the spanners? Okay, so why did we use does? Because we're talking about John. John is one person, singular. And you have to be careful that we have changed has into have. So in the questions, we use have, we don't use has. We'll do number 2 together. Number 2, the students have a holiday tomorrow. The students is a plural word, so we start the question with do. Do the students have a holiday tomorrow? Okay, so what we need to do is to start the questions with does or do. And don't forget to change has into have. But if we have the word have, we use it as it is. Okay, so now please pause the video for 3 minutes. Try to answer question 3 to 6 and then come back to check the answers. Okay, welcome back. Now let's see number 3 together. The multi-tool has a screwdriver. What does the question start with? Does or do? Very good. It starts with does. So, does the multi-tool, then we change has into have, and the question becomes, does the multi-tool have a screwdriver? Number 4. These bikes have strong brakes. We have bikes, plural, so we start with do, and all what we need to say is that the question will be, do these bikes have strong brakes? Number 5. The radio has an internal battery. The radio is singular, so we do 2 things. We start with does and change has into have, and the question becomes, does the radio have an internal battery? Number 6. Those houses have solar panels. Houses are plural, so all what we need to do is to start with do, and that's it, and it becomes a question. And of course, don't forget to put the question mark at the end. So, do these or those houses have solar panels? Do those houses have solar panels? Okay, now let's move to exercise 2. Answer the questions in the negative. Then make a positive statement. So here we do 2 things. Answer the question in the negative with no, and then use the word between brackets, الأقواس, to make a question, a statement. Let's see number 1. Do you have a car? We should say no. No, I don't have a car. And what about the words between the brackets, motorbike? I have a motorbike. So, no, I don't have a car. I have a motorbike. Number 2. Does your brother have a DVD? We should say no. My brother doesn't have a DVD. Full stop. He has a VCR. VCR means video cassette recorder. Okay. Now, please pause the video for another 4 minutes. Try to answer questions 3 to 6 and come back later to check the answers. Okay, welcome back. Let's see number 3. Does the multi-tool have scissors, knife blade? What is the answer? Very good. No, the multi-tool doesn't have scissors. It has a knife blade. Number 4. Do we have English today? No, we don't have English today. Full stop. We have science. Number 5. Does your radio have batteries? And between brackets, dynamo? No, my radio doesn't have batteries. It has a dynamo. Finally, number 6. Do the pliers have plastic handles? We use metal handles. So the answer would be no, the pliers don't have plastic handles. They have metal handles. Okay, now let's move to exercise 3. In exercise 3, we need to rewrite these sentences using contractions where possible. So we're going to use contractions. Okay, let's look at number 1 as an example. The multi-tool does not have a wrench. It is not very useful. So we have 2 positions where we can make contractions. The answer is the multi-tool doesn't have a wrench. It isn't very useful. Let's do number 2 as an example. Also, we do not have an AC adapter. We can not switch on the computer. So it should be we don't have an AC adapter. We can't switch on the computer. Okay, now pause the video, try to answer number 3 and 4 and come back to check the answers later. Okay, dear students, now let's move to number 3. I am a technician, but I do not have my tools here. I cannot repair your TV. We can use contractions in 3 positions. I am, do not, and cannot. Let's see the answer. I am a technician, but I don't have any tools here. I can't repair your TV, of course. Finally, the electricity is off and we don't have any batteries. You cannot use the radio now. The electricity is off and we don't have any batteries. You can't use the radio now. Okay, now let's move to number 4. Give short answers with yes or no. Okay, number 1, can you swim? You should answer with no. You say no, I can't. Number 2, let's do number 2 as an example also. Is he an IT technician? No. No what? No, he isn't. Okay, as usual, please pause the video, try to answer questions 3 to 8, then come back later to check the answers. Okay, now let's see number 3. Does the DVD work now? Yes, the answer here is with yes. Yes, very good. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Okay, please take care and notice that in number 1 we started the question with can and we use can't in the answer. Number 2 is, isn't. So it's the same word can and not, is not. Number 3 we start with does, so we have to use does or does not or doesn't. Number 4, do your friends have tickets for the cinema? We must answer with do, so no, they don't. No, they don't. Number 5, are you a technology student? Yes. Very good, yes I am. When we ask with are, we answer with am. Are you? I am. Are you? I am. Are you Ahmed? Yes I am. Are you a technology student? Yes, I am. Okay, let's move to number 6. Does your radio have a solar panel? The question starts with does, so we say no, it doesn't. Number 7, take care, be careful. Are you a telecoms engineer? No, I am not. Very good. No, I am not. Number 8, can planes rotate on a horizontal axis? Yes, yes, they can. Yes, they can. Okay, our students, now we have achieved all the objectives for today's lesson. And please watch the video carefully and don't forget to go to the teams to answer the quiz or do the homework. Thank you. Goodbye. Wish you good luck.